Yesterday we made $1,000 on one trade. Today I'm gonna see if I can make 2,000. We're gonna see what we can do. All right, trade idea changed. Gonna wait for the 1 hour gap. $1,000 secure TP about to hit. I'm not even gonna let it close right there. 2,100. $3,000 just in the last 2 days with those trades. You saw me manage risk, you saw me not over trading, you saw me stay disciplined following the same system and plan that I know works. You can have a great system, a great strategy, but if you don't have proper risk management, if you don't have good emotional control, if you don't have the... After commissions, we made about 2,100 for the day. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, and welcome back to another video. Today, it is Thursday, so we have another trading day ahead of us. We have about 10 minutes until we got to be live with VIP. As always, just another day. Yesterday, we made $1,000 on one trade. Not a crazy trade. It was just $1,000 trade. I risked 1,000, made 1,000. Nothing too crazy. Today, I'm going to see if I can make 2,000, see if I can make 1,000, see if I can make 500. We're going to see what we can do. I know how much I'm willing to risk, but I don't know how much the market's going to allow me to get. You get what I'm saying? I can't control how much money I'm going to make today. The only thing I can control is taking advantage of what I'm up when I'm up. I can't make $2,000 unless I close at 2,000. I can't make 1,000 unless I close at 1,000. You get what I'm saying? But we're just going to see what happens. I'm about to get everything all set up. I'm about to get a coffee made and everything. So I'm going to get VIP calls started, have everyone start joining up. Then I'm going to go get the coffee made. And then, yeah, we will come back. We'll have a great day. We're going to see if we can get some money. And then we're just going to do what we do every single day. Every day, same shit. Got to get all these tabs closed, log into my accounts and everything. Let me get all this open. We're going to get active nonetheless. We about to get to it. Let's get to work. All right, we got all this all set up. So I have about 9 minutes. Let me just hurry up and get this coffee. I want to light a candle too. I'm gonna light this candle out here in the living room. Get the day started right. Get some good senses. You got to keep in mind what you see, smell, hear, eat. These are all things that you got to deal with on a daily basis. So just make your life just a lot more enjoyable. And candles is one thing that helps me. And now, let's get this coffee made and get to VIP. No cap. My Wi-Fi been going in and out. I don't know how I'm connected right now, but we here. We here. Wi-Fi be on some weird shit. See what money we can make. Yesterday we had a smooth low trade. We'll go see if we can catch something today. We gonna see. But as of right now, US 30, everything still looks overall bearish. I was bearish yesterday, but I didn't catch that whole move. I'll tell you that. If anybody was there yesterday when I was talking about the shorts went even stupider than I thought. No cap. But I got a coffee being made right now. We about to do this little markup, little pre-9:30. Let's see what happens going into 9:30. We're gonna see what today's saying for. We got any news? As of right now, London has its high, but in my opinion, that high looks like we could run above that high. Let me check the 4 hour. Yeah, right now, I definitely think a possible short trade would be if we could trade into this 4 hour gap up here. If we can keep getting a nice little push, that could be something that keeps price moving lower. That's a possible idea that I see right now. Yeah, this is what I'm expecting. A possible, if we can get a push going into 9:30, I definitely like the more shorts. But if we just fall off from here, I'm cool with just missing it as right now. Patience. All right, trade idea changed. Definitely looks like it'll close bearish. Don't wait for the 1 hour gap retracement. If we can get it. Because this is where I want to take the trade. Am I even signed in? No, I am not. Let me sign in. First trade of the day, I want to see a hold this 1 hour gap. If it ends up flipping crazy bullish, that's tough, but I like the chances. I'll trust my odds. The patient games begin. We'll see. All I want is a 1 to 2. We're already up 300. 10 o'clock, I got faith in you. Don't do no dumb shit, you know? Just go for that low. But we up a little bit again. Nothing I haven't been up already, but you know what? It's better to see some direction in mind. TP1 about to get hit. Come on, we almost there. Hit that TP so I can break even. I got an alert there, so once the alert goes off, we breaking even. Come on. Shit, that's cool. As long as I break even, we are risk-free, and we could just hope for the best. There we go. Alert hit. We break even on that tang. Now we wait for TP2. Minutes we made a cross for the 50th time. We're in profit, but we'll see. Just keep waiting. All right, trade a 2, hit TP1 again. Break even on that shit. Now we continue waiting for TP2. If it don't hit TP2, I'm gonna go get that goofy hat. Oh yeah, we getting a good little drop off. Just need $500 more. $500 more. And then I can get out the trade. We got close to TP2, but not enough. It still didn't even run that 9 o'clock low. Still haven't ran it. But yeah, it is what it is. It's a good trade. You still predicted the market to an extent. Oh. Maybe I should shut the fuck up. I still feel the emotions just like anybody else. I'm only human. Just learn how to control them better. And I'm an impatient person, as y'all can't see, if you couldn't. But I'm a very impatient person. I want this trade to hit so anybody in these shorts can just call it a day. We can be up out of here. Ooh. The quickness of the moves that can happen. There we go. We definitely moving now. 16 hundo. Let me get a picture of that shit. That's a great trade. Great trade. Now I just need you to come a little bit lower because that's my TP right here. Now that's the main problem. My TP is a little lower. But you know what? Patience. We'll see what 10 o'clock does. I got faith. Not 10, 11. I just need it to come a little bit lower. It ran the low. What do you mean? I honestly still don't even have a result for this trade. I'm literally in the same spot. I'm in a little bit of profit. I'm break even, but I'm above TP1. I risked 1,000, I'm only up 600 right now. I was up 15, 1,600, but it still never hit TP2. It ran the 9 o'clock low, and I'm just sitting here. It is what it is. This is my second trade of the day. I'm not taking no trades after this. The first trade was stopped at break even. This trade is I'm at break even, but I don't know if it's gonna play out or not. We just gotta wait. But if we look at the time, it's already 11:20. I don't feel like being on the charts no more. I've been staring at it for too long. I'm just gonna be on with my day. I'm gonna keep y'all updated with the trade if it's a W, if it's a break even, but nonetheless, let's get the rest of our day started. All right, we back in profit again. A little bit later, we back up 1,600. Not bad, not bad. Just gotta keep waiting. It's almost at TP. TP is not that far away, man. But we need that 1 to 2. 1 to 2 or break even. It's one or the other. Come on, we up 18. We almost up to 2,000. We're right there. Just need a little bit more. Just need a little bit more. Come on. We up 18. I just need $240, $250. $2,000 secure TP about to hit. I'm not even going to let it close right there. 2,100. Y'all saw it here first. I'm not going to say one and done, but the trade idea itself was one and done. Look at that, bro. Come on. Can't make that up. Can't make it up. All right, now the trade is over. So if I can show you guys the trade idea I just showed you, but if you want to see it on the phone, you can see, block out the reflection in the background. You could probably, yeah, that's a bad reflection. Let me bring it over here. But if you want to see the trade idea, this is the trade. It was basically a 1 hour for value got fill at 9:30 and at 10 o'clock was the second one. And if we go to the P&L for the day, we're just going to take you to the trade of it. I didn't trade the Henkel trade account today. I strictly just traded on my funded account. We're going to go to the balance. Can't complain. 2,200. Is it 2,200? It's 2,200 before commissions. But if we look at exactly how much it is for today, all these ads, bro. Oh my God, these ads, bro. This ad keeps popping up. Am I tripping? Am I tripping, bro? Look. Bro. Get off. Come, bro. What, Joe? There we go. Before the day, you can see after commissions, we made about 2,100 for the day with about 3 trades. It's 2 trades. I'm not sure why it's 3. I think it just counts like where I closed it. But yeah, the 2 trades, and our longest trade was an hour. So I held that trade for an hour. Ain't that some shit? But listen, we done now. Now we get the rest of the day started. For real this time. We made our money. Now we go on to doing everything else. Money isn't everything. We got to build ourselves, build our brand, build myself with education, and build myself physically. So let's get to doing all that. Get to actually go out here and enjoy the day. Look at all that. It's great. All right, we gotta go to the vet to get something checked for the small one. We gotta get something checked for Nova, so we gotta take her. What are you doing back there? She's stepping on your box. We're gonna take Nova. Luna's not even supposed to be here, but we just bring her because she was gonna think we were taking her on a walk, and we're not taking her on a walk. So girl, you get to come and you get to stay in the car with me, but we about to go to that and then probably grab something on the way back home to eat because I'm starving and I haven't ate nothing, neither has she. So yeah, that's on the objective right now. So yeah, about to go do that, and I'll see you guys in the next location, wherever that is. All right, right now, just in the car. We just got done the vet, so apparently my dog has a heart murmur, meaning her heart is a little bit bigger than it should. So with that being said, we thought she had parasites or something. She doesn't have that. So yeah, she has a heart murmur, unfortunately. But besides that, she's pretty healthy, but we do got to see a cardiologist. So that's the next step that we have to take for her. But as of right now, we just got to change her food because the food we were giving her she's now an adult puppy, so we're not going to give her puppy food. So we're going to switch her diet a little bit. And then her back there, she chilling. She chilling, right, Luna? She don't care, but she over there chilling. I'm waiting for my girlfriend to get tacos right now. She's inside getting tacos while I'm in the car just getting some content posted when it comes to my stories. I got all those reels and stuff scheduled for today already, so I just have to let that all be deployed throughout the day. And yeah, I still got to go to the gym. All right, right now we had got food and everything, and I had got a lot of stuff that came with Amazon stuff that I ordered. Right over here, I got a few different things. I got like this is for the couch. This is like a couch cover because the dogs be getting dirty. And this is the other one for the smaller couch. I got screen protectors for the camera. So like on the mini screen that I'm looking at myself on right now, is like I have 3 different screen protectors. I use 2 of them. I also got more batteries because, as you guys know, my battery be dying like a motherfucker. So I just got 2 more with a new charging pack. So now I got 3 batteries. So yeah, we got that. And I also got this big door because I'm gonna make an area for the dogs over there so they have their own area and it's kind of locked off. So even at nighttime, they don't got to go in the crate, but they can kind of be in their own small area. Still have freedom, but also still be blocked away from being able to dirty everything because at nighttime, they be wilding. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm about to try to get all that set up. And then yeah, we're gonna go get food probably, I don't know, maybe like an hour, right? Yeah, I'm gonna do all this and then we gotta do that. Right now it's approximately, it's only 6:45. It's still somehow early. All right, dogs, y'all stay here. We about to go get some food, but look at this. This is the doggy door that I have over here now, so I'm gonna be able to keep them locked over here at nighttime so they have no access to everything, but there's a lot of trash and stuff that needs to get thrown out, bro. All right, team, and let me get the microphone before I just start speaking. It's nothing. But right now, as you can see, by the time, it's a little bit later, but this is where we're going to be ending off the vlog. But I want to talk to you overall about the last 2 days, because if you are a viewer that's been watching the videos for more than a week, more than 3 days, and you know I was on a losing streak when it came to trading for the better part of the last month or 2. I've been low risk trading on a $1,000 account. I haven't been trading on the funded account until this week. And for the people, like I said, that are consistently watching, you saw the losing streak. You saw me manage risk. You saw me not overtrading. You saw me stay disciplined following the same system and plan that I know works over time, that I know is going to win me more times than less, that I know with my risk management, I'm going to make more money than lose money. And as you can see, the last 2 days, we had the winning trade yesterday, which I only caught at a 1-to-1. I didn't even hold it fully, made 1,000. Today, I caught the 1-to-2. I had a break-even trade also, but that was another 1-to-2, which was 2,000. That was $3,000 just in the last 2 days with those trades. So tomorrow, I'm not going to be taking no trades. I'm just going to show up for the charts. I'm going to see what's up. But I want you guys to understand the importance of being consistent and the importance of sticking to what you know works no matter what. I don't care if I go on a 1-week losing streak, a 1-month losing streak, because I know based off of my data, based off of my strategy, based off of my system that I've back-tested for over years. I've back-tested years of data. I've traded years with the same system. I would say I've probably traded the same way for a better part of 2 years now, and I've back-tested more than 2 years of data with the same system that I look for, and I teach it to other people. It's something that constantly happens every single day, every single week. I don't win all the time. I don't lose all the time, but I know for a fact I'm going to win more times than I lose. And that's all trading is about. It's not all about just having a perfect system, a perfect strategy. That's a very important part of it, but it's not everything. You can have a great system, a great strategy, but if you don't have proper risk management, if you don't have good emotional control, if you don't have the traits that it takes to be a successful person, such as patience, discipline, consistency, being persistent, you're not going to be able to succeed because it's not easy. It may seem easy, but at the end of the day, when I was in that trade earlier, when I got stopped at break even, when I had to ask myself, am I going to be willing to take another trade? When I had to sit in that trade for an hour, 2 hours, waiting for the trade to hit TP. That's not easy. It may look easy from hindsight. It may look easy because all I'm doing is sitting there, but dealing with those emotions every single day, being in those trades every single day, it's something that is it builds you over time. It's not easy. And you're constantly put in situations that is stressful. And if you're a trader, you 100% know what I mean. But I just say all this to tell you guys, stay consistent, stay disciplined. If you know your strategy works, if you have a proven system, how do you know it works? You've won with it, you've consistently won with it, and you have data to back it up. If you have those three things, then I would say you have a proven system. Don't stop what works just because you had one bad day, one bad week, one bad month. If you're having 6 months of bad trading, that may be a little different. If you're having 4 to 5 months of it, that may a little be different. But 1 month, 2 months doesn't change much. Look at the overall grand perspective of things. Don't stay so dialed in on just the day-to-day. Pay attention for the whole month, for the whole quarter, for the whole year. That's what you should be paying attention to. Don't worry about what your win rate was this week. Worry about what it was this month, this quarter, this year. And with that being said, I just want to let you guys know, stay safe, stay productive. You want to learn how I trade, the trading systems, the concepts that I use every single day with VIP, when I'm live trading, even if I'm not live trading, which I am regardless, I'm live trading every time I trade anyway. I'm using the same concepts and strategies, everything that's in the free trading course, completely free. And if you want to live trade with me, live trade with the team where you can take my trades if you want to, learn from me, get mentored by me and all the community of other traders that are trading every single morning live, then join the VIP Trading Network, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Stay safe, stay productive, and I'm going to see you in tomorrow's daily video.